Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the callus on your feet. And the same procedure can perform with corns too. We are going to use a scalpel. This scalpel here is awesome for this. Don't move the scalpel in this direction. This will hurt you. The only thing you have to look is go in a 90 degrees angle of the corn, and so you can scrape a little bit layer for layer. The most important criteria for a scalpel are that the blade is sharp and that it cuts cleanly. In the medicine, scalpels with replaceable blades are used almost exclusively for hygiene reasons. You can also find scalpels with fixed blades too. This should be sharpened from time to time as they will start to become blunt after use. First is soak your feet in a food bath to soften the skin. Approximately 10 minutes will reach. The next thing is use a scalpel for food care. Scalpels have an important role when it comes to looking after your feet, above all for the removal of calluses and corns. Yeah. And now you have to be smooth and gentle and take care of yourself because the scalpel is really sharp, and if you remove too much of the colors or the corn, it can hurt you. Scrape away the corn or the colors layer by layer from the side by inwards, and it is better to use a rounded blade. After you finished it, disinfect the area and be sure to keep an eye on it. If you are unable to remove the corn or a new corn develops, you should contact your doctor. But what is callus? Callus is an area of thickened skin that forms as a response to repeated friction, pressure, or other irritations. Since repeated contact is required, calluses are most often found on feet because of frequent walking and poorly fitting footwear. While they can be perceived as being unsightly, calluses are generally not harmful, but if neglected for long periods may sometimes lead to other problems. And if you see this calluses, for example, start a foot bath for 10 minutes, then use a sharp blade to remove them from the outside to the inside. Scrap it out. If you have a corn, do the same. Layer by layer. Remove the corn slowly, layer by layer. Do not remove so much that no calluses is there. Only make a flat surface. And if you have a corn, this is a distinctively shaped callus of that skin that usually occurs on thin or glabrous skin surfaces, especially on the dorsal surfaces of toes or fingers. They can sometimes occur on the thicker skin of the palms or bottom of the feet. Corns from when the pressure point against the skin traces an elliptical or semi-elliptical path during the rubbing motion, the center of which is at the point of pressure, gradually widening. If there is constant stimulation of the tissue producing the corns, even after the corn is surgically removed, the skin may continue to grow as a corn too. That means you have to repeat this thread, I think, once a quarter year. This is enough for it. And do this small and gentle. Here you can see some skin is coming out of there, and that we is our thing to do, to remove calluses and corns by using a scalpel. So now you can disinfect the area. Job's done. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.